Hey guys, what is up? I will welcome you to the official YouTube channel of King Sam Grafix. This is our brother King Sam here, and I thank you very much for coming back to the platform to watch this tutorial. We finally crossed 10,000 views on YouTube, and then thank you very much for the massive support. So I'm going to show you how to do that massive flyer right in Pixellab. Okay, so take your time, watch me step by step. But before that, wait. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more graphic design content. So then turn on the notification bell to be notified when new contents have been uploaded. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so today we just crossed 10,000 views on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create that fire right in Pixellab. Okay, so I will leave all the resources right in the description. You can go ahead and quick check them out. But before that, kindly subscribe to this channel. We are working towards 1,000 subscribers while you're on YouTube. Okay, so help me share my videos to friends, okay, for them to also subscribe. All right, so let's quickly move on to our task for today. The first thing you have to do probably to first delete this text right here. Okay, I will leave all the resources right in the description. You can go ahead and check them out. All right, so let's continue. After deleting this, our first thing you have to bring in is the background. Okay, then just go ahead and click on from gallery to select or import our first image right here. Okay, so this is our first background image right here that we want to use. You can go ahead and stretch it from the corners, okay, not from the sideways this way. Now the image will become distorted. Okay, so don't stretch it from the sideways but rather from the corners. Okay, so this way stretch it to fill the whole screen. Okay, so you can adjust it and then to fill the whole screen. All right, so this is okay for me. Go ahead and lock it. All right, so you go ahead and bring another background. So you just click on from gallery once again. Okay, so we have another background we want to add. Okay, so this is the background right here. Just click on OK and then stretch it. Okay, so this way go ahead and reduce the opacity. Okay, so just reduce the opacity to somewhere this. Okay, so I want this effect. Is that okay? Good. Go ahead and lock it this way. Okay, another background we want to use right here. Good. So this is the background right here. Okay, go ahead and stretch it from the corners. Good, this way. All right, so that one to reduce the opacity. Okay, just reduce the opacity this way. All right, so our background is quite of being set. All right, so just click on from gallery once again. Okay, so this way, and then just import our next image right here. Okay, so this is the image you want to use right here. Good, can stretch it a little bit. All right, so this way. Okay, the next thing you have to do is just click on the crop. Okay, and then reflect it. Okay, so this way. All right, good, and just click on the check mark right here. All right, so this is fine. Go ahead and lock it this way. Good. The next thing you're doing is to add a shape right here. So increase the radius to about 23. Okay, so this is okay. Just go ahead and just position it this way. All right, so we are changing the color to this color right here, so this one. All right, and then reduce the opacity. Okay, to about 14. Go ahead and lock it. Good, so our work is really coming out. Let's continue. All right, so let's go ahead and add our first text right here. Okay, so just go on to text. Okay, edit, and then let's go. So the first text is thank you. Okay, so thank you this way. Good, go ahead and enlarge it this way. Okay, so maintain the color white and then change the font to have this spin cycle font right here. Okay, so this is the font you are going to use. So that's a thank you right here. Go ahead and lock it. So this is okay. Good. So thank you 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Okay, so just copy the thank you text right there. Okay, so copy and then just type in 10 okay, good, and then just go ahead and enlarge it this way. Okay, change the color, so of this color right there. Okay, so change the color to this one. Okay, you can enlarge it a little bit up. Good. Okay, so make sure it's directly in the middle. You can use actually grade, okay, to guide you, but I'm not going to use grade in this video. But make sure it's directly in the middle of the shape at the background. Okay, so that's the alignment you are using. All right, so just go ahead and copy it. Okay, so just lock this first one. Okay, and then go to color once again. And then use the transparent color. Okay, so this is the transparent color we are going to use, and then go to stroke. Okay, so this is a stroke right there. Reduce the stroke width to 1. Okay, and then change the color to white. Good, so this way, and then you can position it somewhere here on top of the first test right here. Okay, good, so this is our test here. So thank you 10,000. So let's move on to 10,000 very quick. Okay, so just copy the thank you. Okay, copy the thank you, this one, just copy. Okay, and just edit and type in 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 this way, 1,000. Good, so this way. Okay, so go ahead and capitalize it. Okay, so 10,000. Okay, so make sure it's also being aligned. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy. So just copy, lock the first one, and then the same method, go to color. Okay, transparent color right there, and then go to stroke width of 1, and then color to white. So you can go ahead and increase the size a little bit this way. Okay, all right, so copy this one, copy. Okay, and then position that one to right there. Good, you can move it to the base. Okay, so it should be behind that image right there. Okay, so this way. Good. All right, so the next thing you're typing is YouTube. So just go ahead and copy the 10 test. Okay, so 10, just copy. Okay, this way, and then reduce the size, type in YouTube. Okay, so YouTube. Go ahead and capitalize it this way. Okay, good. Decrease the size this way, and then we are going to space it up. So spacing. Okay, so space it up. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy this one. Okay, so copy, go to color, so select the transparent as well. Okay, and then stroke width. Okay, stroke width to 1. Okay, so 1 this way, and then the same color as this one. Okay, so good, you can place it somewhere here. Okay, go ahead and copy. So copy, place that one to beneath it like this. Right, so go ahead and lock the two like this. Okay, so lock them. All right, so good, our work is really coming out. All right, so let's with our last test. Let's quickly add it, and that's the views. Okay, so thank you for 10,000 YouTube views. Okay, so views this way. All right, just click on okay. You can stretch it a little bit. You're going to use different fonts actually for this test. Okay, so go to fonts, and I have this signature font right here. So the photography signature right here. Okay, so this is the font that we are using. Good. All right, so you can increase the size a little bit, and then kindly position right here. All right, so position somewhere here. All right, so we are basically done, but you're adding some effects here. Then you go okay, So just go onto gallery, and remember I will leave all the resources right in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, so people are asking how you can do the blur this thing. Okay, so I'll make a tutorial actually on this. Okay, so our next tutorial will be on how to blur these backgrounds, okay, using smartphone. Okay, so anticipate. All right, let's add another effect right here. Okay, so this one can stretch it. Okay, good. Go ahead and lock it as well. So the last one, the very last one, is the laughter emoji. So laughter lab emoji sometimes. So this one. Okay, so you can position one here. You can rotate it a little bit. Copy, rotate, and position that one somewhere here. Then copy, rotate, and position that one right there. Good. So our work is complete. So this is very simple if you really follow step by step. Okay, so let me see your comment in the comment section how you're able to go about this flyer design. Okay, so until then, see you on this upload. Bye.